Good evening, Year 6. I hope everybody's well. Me and Miss Karen have been doing some cooking on FaceTime this evening, which was quite exciting. We both decided to make a stir fry. We used different ingredients. I used broccoli, I used baby sweet corn and mange too, while Mrs. Cowan went for things like red peppers and onions. Her recipe is going to be uploaded at the end of this video. So what we'd like you to do is to upload some of the things that you've been cooking, put the recipe on there, put some reviews, and you can email those to admin@hotspur.newcastle.sch.uk. Brilliant, can't wait to see them. And also you might want to follow our recipe, and if you do, would love to see photographs of that as well. Brilliant, keep up the good work.
So there you go, Year 6. Hope that gives you some ideas for something that you could cook for yourself and your family. As you can see, Mr. Luke and I used lots of different ingredients. Great thing about a stir fry is you can pretty much throw any sort of vegetable in there. So have fun, enjoy, and share with us what you make. We're looking forward to hearing from you. Okay, bye.